welcome to my channel once again. And my name is Kwekudapa. If today is your first time for visiting this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. And if you've already subscribed, then we are welcome back to this channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn about Python for data analysis. So what is Python? Python is a popular programming language created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. So basically, Python is used for web development, software development, for mathematics, system scripting, and the popular data analysis or data science. But this class will be focused on Python for data analysis. So to get Python, you can just visit this website and download Python. I've already installed Python on my machine, so I will not go through that process again. But you can just visit the site and download Python. So when you are done downloading, you need to also download VS Code, which you can just visit or type VS Code in Google if you want to use VS Code. So after typing VS Code in Google, you can download it and use it to write your Python scripts. Or you can also download a Jupyter Notebook, which is also an IDE for writing Python scripts. So I'll do a video on how you can download Jupyter Notebook and VS Code. But currently my setup is already made. So if you want to use VS Code, you need to install the Python extension in VS Code after installing the VS Code itself. So after installing VS Code, you come to extensions, and under extensions you can search for Python. So by just typing Python here, you see this. Then you just install this. I've already installed it. So once you install this, you can use Python, or you can write Python codes in VS Code.